Beginning at midnight tonight, a new wave of COVID-19 related mandates will take effect across Iowa.
Governor Kim Reynolds announcing those measures during a statewide address earlier tonight. A closer look at the new regulations in our top story tonight at 10. While avoiding an all-inclusive mask mandate, the governor is requiring masks to be worn in public spaces. Specifically, the proclamation issued today says that all people ages 2 and older should wear face coverings when in an indoor space that is open to the public, and if they will be within 6 feet for 15 minutes or more of people who are not members of their household. Under the new rules in effect through December 10th, bars and restaurants will only be allowed to be open from 6 in the morning until 10 at night. That proclamation also limits indoor social, community, business, and leisure gatherings.
So here's a look at the new mandates. Like we mentioned earlier, face coverings must be worn when in an indoor public space. There are exceptions for religious activities when eating, drinking at bars or restaurants, also for medical conditions. Also banned indoor gatherings of 15 people or more, outdoor gatherings of 30 or more. That includes wedding and funeral receptions. Neither of those measures including in-class learning, while fitness centers, health clubs, health spas, gyms can all remain open. No group fitness activities are allowed. And youth and adult group sporting and recreational gatherings are prohibited. This is except for high school, college, and professional sports. Like this spring when the virus first hit hard, the governor says these and other measures are needed to save lives and protect our healthcare system.
If our healthcare system exceeds capacity, it's not just COVID-19 we'll be fighting. Every Iowan who needs medical care will be put at risk. And it's not just the emergencies that are of concern. Routine procedures that catch cancer at early stages will likely be postponed, turning what would be a treatable disease into a terminal diagnosis.
Additionally, Reynolds requiring hospitals to ensure that inpatient elective procedures are reduced by 50%, while also acknowledging there is a reason for optimism.
I know that it's been a long 8 months, but there is light at the end of the tunnel. And I'm hopeful, as we all are, that a vaccine will be here soon. But until then, it's important to step up and slow the spread to make sure that Iowans stay safe.
Again, these measures will continue until 11:59 on December 10th. And if you'd like to read the governor's proclamation in full, you can find it right now on our website. That's SiouxlandProud.com.